never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
PD&E. We have a new concept. Don't use drones to carry your goods. Turn your goods into drones. By attaching 4 of the PD&E's independent propellers and motors, you can transform chairs, tables, or anything into a drone. Making a concept a reality, we provide motor units fitted with CRP, a flight controller, an IMU, a battery, etc., all in one package. We provide the freedom to choose a combination of either 4 or 6 CRP. Once the master is designated, the other units interact wirelessly to automatically become slaves. Since each of the units calibrate automatically before flight, all the operator needs to do is press start. Equipped with high-powered motors and the technology we've cultivated through our experience in large platform drone production, ProDrone makes anything a drone.
Swash is a brand new clothing care system that leaves your clothes looking and feeling great in just 10 minutes. It removes light wrinkles for a clean look, neutralizes odor and leaves clothes smelling clean, restores the fit to your clothes that's lost after wear, and extends the life of clothes by not causing pilling or fading. Say goodbye to excessive washing, drying, and ironing while cutting your dry cleaning bills in half. It's time to experience 10-minute clothing care with Swash.
The Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor actively monitors your car's engine and internal systems. Simply plug it in under your dashboard and sync to the free Zeus Smart Driving Assistant app. Hit Scan, and the Zeus Safety Center will scan your vehicle for any issues so that you won't find yourself stuck on the side of the road. As you drive, the Zeus app continues to gather data and monitor your vehicle. If your check engine light comes on, the Zeus app can help you understand what's wrong in simple terms and how to fix it. Clear the light yourself for minor issues. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that Zeus has your back. Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor by Nanda.
Discover a new way to create outdoor area lighting with the SightLight XL, a portable fabric lantern that you pack, pop, and light for an instant full moon glow. Featuring 300 lumens of diffuse light on 15 feet of cord, the SightLight XL sets up quickly to bring warm ambient light to any outdoor setting. Power it via any USB source or from a BioLight lantern for additional dimming functionality. Part of the SightLight family, you can mix and match, creating a custom light setup to fit your site. Lightweight and easy to pack, bring a full moon wherever you go with the SightLight XL, part of the BioLight NanoGrid.